Tired of earbuds that slip out or leave your ears sore after just an hour? Imagine earbuds that not only stay put but also feel like they were made just for you. Comply SmartCore Universal Replacement Earbud tips promise exactly that. A superior upgrade designed to fit most earphone models with their patented flexible core. If you're looking for a simple way to boost comfort and sound quality, these tips are worth a look. I recently swapped out my standard silicone tips for Comply's memory foam version on my Jabra 75T active earbuds. Even though the original large tips felt a bit loose, these memory foam tips changed the game. After wearing them for hours, including a treadmill session, they molded perfectly to my ears. The foam's body heat activation creates a snug, customized fit that blocks out noise naturally, reducing my need for active noise cancellation. Plus, they stayed firmly in place whether I was moving or just relaxing. The only catch? They don't fit back in the charging case with the tips on, so you'll need to remove them before charging. It's a small trade-off for the comfort and sound improvement you get. What you get with Comply SmartCore tips is more than comfort. They deliver richer, fuller sound by sealing out ambient noise and enhancing bass response. Made in the USA with proprietary memory foam, these tips elevate your earbuds' performance without complicated setups or extra gear. If you're ready to enjoy hours of comfortable listening and a secure fit that won't quit, these tips offer a straightforward upgrade. Try them when you're ready to experience what your earbuds were truly meant to deliver.